Hello everyone, this is my review of the HDMI wireless transmitter and receiver. It comes with a HDMI extender, two adapters, and a USB to USB-C cables that you use to plug into the back of the transmitter and receiver to give them power if they don't receive power from the device that you plug them into. This is a transmitter plugged into the computer, and you can see it gives it power, but if not, you can hook it up like this with the USB cable. And this is the receiver hooked up to my mini projector. And this should pair automatically. If not, you just press the button that's on the stick to get them to pair up. And it has a really good connection between both devices with no lag, so I hope this review helps.